Finally able to do my garage. I want to show you the after. Taylor Living is who installed the cabinets in the slat wall. The slat wall works great for tools as well as outdoor chairs. If you go to events, it's good to have those. Here's my work items that I have to take in and out of the car quite frequently. Over here, I'm now using this for my cushions. So this winter, I'll store all my cushions. Great cabinets, 2 sets. Give you an idea, they're deeper and taller than the ones that you get at the box store. Do you need help in your garage or space in your home? Give me a call. I'd love to help.